Thank you for purchasing the Sentry 141N Micro Scrubber. Please review the operation manual before using the Sentry 141M and understand all the safety precautions. If you need a copy of the operation manual, you can download it from Hillyard.com. Let's take a look at the buttons and display on the Sentry 141M. The button with the brush icon controls the machine's power. The button in the center controls the vacuum motor. The button with the faucet icon controls the solution flow. The lever on the side of the handlebar allows the operator to adjust the handle position. The meter in the middle of the panel displays the remaining battery charge. 4 indicates a full charge. When the charge reaches 0, the brush motor turns off automatically. The levers on the handlebars activate the brush motor, which stops when they are released. To put on a brush or pad driver, first place it in front of the machine. Next, tilt the machine back and position it over the brush. Lower the machine onto the brush and pulse the switch on the handlebars until the brush attaches to the machine. Fill the solution tank with water. The Sentry 141M holds a little over 2 gallons of solution. Add cleaning solution to the solution tank. See the cleaning solutions label for the proper dilution ratio. If necessary, the solution tank can be taken to a sink for filling. To scrub the floor, press the main power, vacuum motor, and solution flow buttons. Lower the squeegee, then squeeze one of the levers on the handlebar. Overlap each pass by about an inch. The Sentry 141N has a ball float to protect the vacuum motor when the recovery tank is full. If you hear the float activate, empty the recovery tank. When work is complete, follow these steps to clean the machine and put it into storage. Turn off the main power switch. Lift the squeegee using the lever on the handlebar. Remove the recovery tank. Drain and rinse the tank and place it back on the machine. Leave the tank open to allow it to dry. Remove the hose from the front of the solution tank and take the tank to a sink. Drain the tank and rinse out any remaining solution. Leave the tank open to allow it to dry. Remove the brush or pad driver from the machine. To remove the brush, tilt the machine to raise the scrub deck. While the scrub deck is up, pulse the lever on the handlebar until the brush disengages. Rinse the brush or pad driver and allow it to air dry. Tilt the machine back and wipe the squeegee to remove debris. Inspect the squeegee blades for damage. In this section, we'll guide you through replacing squeegee blades. Begin by disconnecting the hose from the top of the squeegee. This will allow for easy removal of the assembly. Next, locate the 2 knobs that secure the squeegee to its bracket. Unscrew and remove these knobs, then remove the squeegee from the machine. Now, to access the blades, remove the 4 knobs at the rear and the 2 knobs at the front of the squeegee. Once the knobs have been removed, detach the plates from both the front and back, and remove the worn squeegee blades. To install the new blades, begin with the rear blade. Note that it has flared edges. Next, secure the rear plate, ensuring that the 2 central screws pass through the housing. Turn the squeegee housing over and install the front plate. Attach the front plate, making sure that all 4 screws extend fully to the rear side. Finally, reinstall the knobs. Attach 4 knobs on the rear and 2 on the front, ensuring all components are securely fastened. Inspect the vacuum hoses and remove any obstructions. plug in the battery charger and allow the machine to charge fully. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, visit Hillyard.com or contact our expert technical service team at 877-445-5927. At Hillyard, we specialize in the repair and preventive maintenance of all major brands of cleaning equipment. With service technicians throughout the United States, we're ready to help keep your machines running smoothly. Contact us today to schedule a repair or consultation.